Are you interested in building your own custom computer? JT Systems can help. Our team is skilled at helping customers choose the right components and assembling a computer that meets their needs and budget. We offer a range of options for processors, graphics cards, storage devices, and more. We can also provide recommendations on what to look for in a good gaming computer or workstation. In addition to building new computers, we also offer upgrades and repairs for existing systems. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. It's worth the drive to have the experts at JT Systems work on your device. We're open Monday to Friday from 12 to 6. Call us at 905-892-4555. Our expertise and business etiquette sets us apart from the other competition.